Welcome back to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest tech for your home. Today, we're cooling things down with the VACOOR Portable Air Conditioner. This unit promises big cooling for big rooms, and we're here to see how it stacks up. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's talk about the raw cooling capabilities and how efficiently this unit operates. This unit offers a very strong 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, powerful enough to handle large rooms up to 700 square. With a CEER 7.8 rating, this portable AC offers good energy efficiency, helping to manage electricity costs during prolonged use. The 235 CFM airflow combined with its upward, full-width vent design ensures better air circulation and faster cooling throughout. Overall, the VACOOR delivers robust cooling power paired with decent energy efficiency, making it a strong. Next, let's dive into the practical aspects of living with this air conditioner. While it includes wheels and handles, this unit weighs over 70 pounds, making it cumbersome for frequent repositioning despite being. Installation is straightforward for apartments and rental spaces because it fits most horizontal and vertical sliding windows without requiring drilling. The dedicated sleep mode operates at a quieter 50 decibels, and the included remote control allows for convenient adjustments from. Beyond just cooling, this unit functions as a fan and a powerful dehumidifier, removing up to 50 liters of moisture. Overall, the VACOOR offers convenient setup and useful features for daily living, though its weight might. The VACOOR Portable Air Conditioner is a strong choice if you need serious cooling power for a large room or apartment. Its 14,000 BTU capacity truly stands out, along with the energy efficiency and versatile 3-in-1 functions.